Hello everyone, this is Coder Singh and today we will be talking about input tags in React using TypeScript. So if you would have seen my tutorials on React in JavaScript, then you must be aware about these couple of things like what I'm going to demonstrate. It's going to throw us an error, but we're going to solve it the React JS way with TypeScript. So I've not created an email over here. So what I'll do email string. If you have seen my previous tutorial on app state, on the state, then I would suggest you should go and watch them. If you have seen it, then it's okay. If you have not seen them, I would highly recommend that you guys should go and watch them. So we have on change on it. If we wanna, let's render this first. So I'm gonna do yarn start, and FYI, I have all the data, all the code on my GitHub repo. The link I will be attaching in the video description, so you guys can get the link. And this is, I guess, video number 5 or 4. I don't remember. Whatever the video number is, you can go over there. You can clone it. You can go into direct. You can just switch the branch. And once you switch the branch to that particular place, it's gonna work great. So as you can see over here, I am not able to type anything over here. You must be hearing the keyboard noise. So what is happening is the value is being set to the state. So this dot state dot email is referring to this particular thing. So email is as of now is empty string. So if I do go for coder, if I write coder over here, so it's gonna re-render to coder, as you can see over here. So we are getting the value which is over here. So we need to change the value once we type in. So once we type in, an event is triggered called on change. So we're gonna bind it with a function with the same name, or we can change the name. For your reference, I'm gonna change the name, like change my input. You can give any name, but I usually give my own name. Sorry, I usually give this particular name. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna get this thing, change in my input, and that's it. So I'll indent the code. Make sure you guys always indent your code, as it is really important in big projects. And there's something called JS docs as well. So you can go like this, and but I would say let's first create a param over here. It is of type React change event. It is HTML input element. So this is a HTML input element over here, and this is the event is of type React change event. So what are we gonna do? What we usually do in um, in React.js is we call e dot target, but in this we will go for current target dot name, and e dot current target dot value. So as you guys can see, it is throwing an error. It's saying this particular thing cannot be of types. This is of type string. It cannot be type of email. It has to be email only. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do this. We're gonna put 3 dots to it. This dot state, and we're gonna add on a comma. So what this particular thing says is whatever is there in this particular property, whatever there is in this particular object, the property will always come. Let's suppose if there's email, password, and other more things, those things will automatically come. And yet, if there is something else which is there, it will also render the thing. So our problem is being solved over here. So if I go over there, it's gonna throw me an error, as you can see, the set state of undefined cannot read property of set state. You know why? Just because we have not bind this function with this keyword. So what we're going to do? We're going to do, it's very simple task. This dot change my input equals to this dot change my input dot bind this. So this is one way we can do it. So let's check if it's working or not. Let's check this one if it's working. Yes, it's working now. This is one of the ways you can comment it out, and you can do bind over here as well, but I prefer to do it in the constructor. So in the constructor itself, when it's a big project, I get to know how many functions are binded to this keyword. So I've done it with the constructor. Let's refresh the page. Oh, sorry, construct. I'm so sorry. I was saying I've done it with the on change event in the element tag as in the input tag only. So this also works. So you have to bind it either over here or over there in the tag itself. So it's your choice at the end of the day, but I prefer using it over here. So I would rather remove it and will push the code like this on. Thank you so much guys for watching the tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if you do like it, then do like my videos. It really motivates me to make new content for you guys. And if you like it again, then do subscribe the channel and do hit the bell icon button over there, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get to see it. Thank you so much.